what am I gonna do? Flex grip roller. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Drknlvely. Let's do a flexi ride set on my hair. This is freshly washed hair. Okay. Yeah. Y'all have seen me try this Farrah feathered look on my locks previously before. I'm gonna get it down. Honestly, this time I wanted to use setting spray, but with my new move, I did not have it and I did not feel like going to get it. I will be doing a life update video for you guys if you want more details on the move. But yeah, I'm sectioning my hair, spraying it with rose water. It's self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk all throughout this, so enjoy. These are the flex grip rollers that I will be using. They are not flexi rods. You do not bend them into position. With these, you lock them or secure them into position. These were a learning curve, girl. Like, I was like, am I doing this right? As you can see at the beginning of the video, your sis thought it was going to be a wrap, but it took me a minute, but I got it. And I did change my shirt because, you know, so y'all can see my actual hair against a lighter material. Now, the plan is to roll these away from my face. Towards this side, girl, I was low-key over it in the back. I didn't know what the back was gonna come out looking like, so I just know when I got to the front that I was going to need to specifically position these and make these go away from my face. Mind you, I ran. I only got 3. 6 comes in each. I used 12 in the back and 6 in the front. I shouldn't have did that because it didn't give me the curl that I wanted, that you will see. But anywho, I did the best that I could with what I had.
I knew it was Hewitt.
I had to reposition a lot of these because towards the front I didn't have a lot of hair. I sectioned it off into smaller parts, so I was interlocking them, like linking them at this point, because I needed them out of my face because I slept in these 2 nights. They were not that hard to sleep in. Thank God they were actually not that bad the way I had them positioned. So yeah, most definitely we'll be trying again, setting spray and more flex rod rollers if I can find them. At this point, I already knew that it was not going to turn out how I envisioned it in my head, but it was all good. The smaller sections in the back weren't turning out good, so I know the big ass sections that I was doing towards the middle of my head was not going to give me anything. But once again, it's all good. It served its purpose for a couple of flicks. But yeah, your sis, I knew what I was getting myself into, and I did it all anyways.
Like, I don't even want to run my fingers through this, because if I run my fingers through it, it is literally going to, it's literally just gonna come up, it's gonna come apart and lose all of its, you know, integrity. So I'm running my fingers through my hair. And trying to get something, but I don't know if I'm getting anything. It's a vibe. It's like already gone. That's what I told you. Like literally, the curls are gone. I mean, this is what I get for not using any setting spray. Like, I already knew this was gonna happen, but it's okay. Going to put my chain out. Every time I do this hairstyle, it never comes out the way I want it to. Never! Get my shape. So, yeah.
And y'all, I didn't turn around because it was bad. It didn't get no better.
It's just like a whole bunch of curls. Like I wanted it to be feathered out, and it's not at all. But I mean, it's still a vibe, y'all. Like it's giving me my Farrah, because you know that's what I'm going for. I don't know if you guys know, but I love the feathered look, and this one's most definitely giving me feathered over here. Hey, feathered. So it's not a complete fail, but it ain't a win. Like I wanted it feathered. Feathered.